Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can make money from cashback sites without actually having to buy anything. Now you're probably thinking, wait, isn't the whole point of a cashback sites that you can earn cash back when you buy stuff? Yeah, that's true, but that's one way of making money from these sites. But today I'm going to show you a backdoor that allows you to make money without spending any of your own. And no, you're not using a loan or a credit card or some dodgy hack. This is a totally legitimate method called affiliate marketing. I'm about to show you how it works and how you can get started as quickly as possible, step by step. But first, let me introduce this channel. If you're new here, I want to welcome you here. Kia ora, as we say in New Zealand. Our goal is to provide you with the best content to make money online, especially if you're a beginner. I like to think of myself as giving you the facts, nothing but the facts, and definitely no BS. And whenever someone asks me what my favorite way of making money online is, I always tell them affiliate marketing. Why? Because with affiliate marketing, you don't need to create your own products and services or courses. You simply promote someone else's and collect commissions every time someone makes a sale. It's the best method I know to make money online, no matter what your level of experience. So I've created this channel where I can release new strategies and give them to you absolutely free. So be sure to hit the like button and subscribe button down below so you'll be able to be the first to know whenever there's a new strategy is live. So let's get into today's training on how you can make money from cashback sites without actually buying anything from those sites. Now, why cashback sites? Well, why do they never really make money? As much as I love cashback sites, the only way to actually make money from them is by spending money. There's no way to build a passive income, which is something we always want to do. And there's no way to scale your earnings unless you keep buying more and more stuff. So what's the solution? I recommend combining the powers of affiliate marketing with your favorite cashback sites. Here's what I mean. Most cashback sites offer a secret backdoor that allows you to make money simply by promoting them. Here's a few examples. Rakuten offers $25 for everyone you refer. Ibotta gives you $10 for every friend you refer, and Top Cashback gives you $25. There's so many more, and I have found them simply by Googling cashback referral programs. So I encourage you to check them out for yourself. And remember, you don't need to buy anything yourself to earn this money. Your job is to promote these websites, and when someone signs up for them under your referral link, you get a commission without having to buy a single thing. So the question then is, how do we promote these sites? The answer is actually quite simple. Affiliate market sales funnels. So what's an affiliate market sales funnel? Well, we're going to show you by going to build a simple 2-page website we'll call an affiliate funnel. Its goal is to get readers onto your email list, more about that later, and then onto those cashback sites where you'll earn a commission when you sign up. Let's break down how an affiliate funnel works. First, we'll build an opt-in page which offers a free gift in exchange for email addresses. I use a software called ClickFunnels to build these simple websites, but you can use any landing page builder you like. The free gift you give them in this funnel is designed especially for this video. One example of a free gift could be a list of best cashback sites on the internet that you'll send them via email. Remember to include your personal affiliate or referral link on the email so that when they sign up, you collect a commission. And the best part? These companies offer sweet sign-up bonuses for your readers, so it's always a win-win. and you don't have to buy anything yourself to get paid. The second step is to build what we call a thank you page. This page lets them know that the free gift you mentioned on your opt-in page is on its way to their email list. Now, while you can simply just put those cashback sites on your thank you page, which is fair enough, I like to go a little further. And what I personally like to do is to use this space to pitch them an even better offer while you've got their attention that offers bigger commissions. Because let's be honest, if someone wants to make money, cashback sites aren't going to change their life forever. And probably promoting cashback sites isn't likely to change yours either. So I would recommend using this space to promote an offer that's going to give you much higher commissions and is more of an incentive to your readers. Now, if you're not sure what to promote here, stick around until the end because I'm going to show you my favorite offer to promote right now. But first, let's get back to step 3, following up with additional offers through email. Once you have that email and you've sent them the list of cashback sites, don't stop there. You're free to continue promoting additional offers on how to make money online. Remember, you own this list now. I recommend sending an email a day. You don't need to sell something on every email because that'll really get on their wick. You can simply provide entertaining and engaging content. Remember, Facebook and the likes and YouTube always focus on engagement, okay? So send those emails often promoting PWA. All right, so I hope you take this advice and try this method out for yourself. But if you're thinking to yourself, how do I actually set this funnel up? Or what additional products can I promote with a bigger and better commission? Or how do I actually build an email list? I get it. It can be difficult. Making a quick $100 is nice, but if you're watching this, you probably want to build a long-term business. That's why I decided to partner with an 8-figure entrepreneur who not only helped me put my funnels together and build an email list and get traffic to my site, he personally plugged me into this award-winning funnel and gave me access to dozens of high-quality products to promote. So I'm able to make passive income promoting products people love to buy. Check it out on my link below and in the description. And don't forget to subscribe so you'll know when I've released my next training. Kia ora and thank you.